Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Cuphead King Dice surprise fold. Now, I definitely would like to try drawing some more characters from the new Cuphead show, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know because I think there could be a lot of fun characters to draw. But thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we want to begin by getting our paper ready. So let's take this paper and fold it in half. So just line up the corners, give it a nice fold, and that way you kind of have like a card shape. The next step is to fold this in half one more time. So we're just going to line up these corners again, give it another nice fold, and then you have kind of like this bookmark shape here. Now when you open it up, you have some extra little lines in here, and these serve as nice little guidelines for when you draw the inside of your surprise fold picture. Now to start off with our Cuphead surprise fold, let's begin with King Dice's face. So I'm going to start right here at the mouth. Let's begin by making a little line right here. We're going to leave some space and we'll make another little line right here. First, we're going to draw a nice big smiley face shape right above here. Then we're going to make another one that comes right down here. Then we're going to come back up. Starting here, we're going to make a little curved line right by each little part of the mouth. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that comes across. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to make a little line that comes across. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and then we're going to make a little line that curves up here for start the eyes. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come back like this. Same thing here, we're going to go down, we're going to go up, and then it's going to come back. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that curves down for the eye, and we'll do the same thing here, we're just going to curve down. And then right inside of here, we're going to make a little circle shape for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for the eyebrow. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up, and then we're going to come down. Right across, we're going to make a little line to connect them. Now, for the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. We're going to make a little V shape, and then I'm going to curve it back down, kind of like an upside-down Pac-Man. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to curve up, make a little V shape, and then curve it back down for a little upside-down Pac-Man shape. Then I'm going to add a little half circle right here at the bottom. And we'll color this part in. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out, and then we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to make a little line that comes out. Then we'll draw a line that comes down, and then same thing here. We'll make a line that comes down. Underneath the mouth, we're going to make a line that goes down and then up for the bottom of the lip. And then right here, we're going to make a line that goes down, and then we're going to come over to here. Same thing here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to come over to here. Then inside of here, we're going to make some little lines that come down. So we're just going to make all these little lines down here for the teeth. Now underneath here we want to make his little mustache. So we're going to draw a little line that goes down, and we're going to bring it right over to here. And I'm going to do that same thing to make it a little bit darker. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to come down, and we're going to go over here. And then we'll just draw another one of those lines right here just to make it a little darker. Now underneath here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and up to start the bow tie. Then I'm going to make another line that goes down and then up here. Same thing here, we're going to go down and then up with a little line inside of each one. I'll make a little line that comes down to the bottom of the paper. And then right here we'll make a little line that comes out on each side. I'll make a little line that's going to come up and down. And then one here we're going to go up and down with a little line that comes down. Make a little line that curves, and another little line that curves. And there's our king dice. Now, once we're done with king dice, we want to open it up and put the details on the inside. Now, once we open it up, we have two halves of our king dice. We have the top and the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on his teeth. So I'm going to begin by making his mouth come up a little bit higher on here, and then a little bit lower on here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up each one of these lines, and I'm going to go over and down just to kind of make the teeth. So we're just going to come up, over, and then down. We're going to go up, over, and then down, and we'll do it all the way to the end here. Then we're going to come up here, we're going to go down, over, and then up. We're going to go down, over, and up, and then right to here. So same thing, down, over, and then connect. Down, over, and then we'll make one right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, then it's going to go up, and then down again for a tongue. Now right inside of here, I want to make Cuphead. So we're going to start right above the fold here. And we want to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve across here. Then we're going to make it come down and then back up in a big smiley face shape. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up like a big smiley face. And then right here I'm going to add a small little circle shape. And then right here I'm going to go down and then bring this up here for the other eye. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Then we're going to go down, and we're going to curve it up here in a smiley face shape. I'll make a line that curves up and down, and then one more that curves up and down. Then I'm going to add a little curved line right here. Starting here, we're going to make a little tall oval shape, and we're going to leave a little space in it, and we're going to put a little kind of sideways V. Do the same thing here. We're going to make that tall oval shape, and we'll make a little sideways V, kind of like a little Pac-Man. And then we're just going to color this part in for the pupils. Starting here, we're going to make a half circle shape, and then a smaller one inside for the little handle. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over, down, over, and then down again for the straw. Then we'll connect this line. We'll add a little line here, and a little line right here. And we'll put one more here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. I'm going to bring this line down and then back for his arm. And then over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then another one that's going to curve down. Right here, let's draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to curve around to here. I'll make a little curved line to start the hand. With a little line, it's going to go up, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and down. Make another one that's going to go out and down. And then one more, it's going to go out and down, and then we're just going to bring it back here. We're going to make a little line across with a little circle. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve. And we'll make a little line across. I'm going to draw a little line that curves in. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, over and up, and then one more here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line down, and then a line down for the body. Next, we want to finish off King Dice. So I'm going to begin right here by making a line that's going to come down, and it's going to connect here for the mouth. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down, we're going to jump over Cuphead a little bit, and then we're going to connect to here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line down. We're going to jump over his hand and come down to here. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go down and then connect to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Cuphead King Dice Surprise Fold. So when you have it all folded up, you have the evil King Dice right there. And then when you open it, you have Cuphead popping out of his mouth. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.